Hey guys, I just parked my truck here at Disneyland in Anaheim, California. And today, I got a special invitation to preview the newest ride here at Disneyland. It's Rise of the Resistance at Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, and it doesn't open for another week. So come along with me to a galaxy far, far away as we check out this awesome new ride. Okay, we just entered Batuu. Hey, we got to meet R2-D2. As we're waiting for a number to be called to go into the ride, enjoying a Ronto wrap. Okay, our group number's been called and here we are entering the beginning of the Rise of the Resistance. There's several sections to this ride, and so we're about to enter the first one. Cool. Check out this artillery rack. How cool is that? Pew, 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 pew. Quick, what's the password?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So cool how you can get so close to the uniforms and the helmets and the weapons for the Resistance.
Incoming transmission from Ray. BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Should we be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batuu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pucara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pucara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9 Num and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poe Dameron and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pucara.
Roger. This is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Stand clear. Jet doors opening now.
Hurry, all recruits to transport. No need for taking aerial visibility.
Alright, the next part of this experience is to enter a transporter.
Initiate pre-flight sequence on deck 3 for Pucara. You are clear for launch.
You got that.
This is your final call. I'm getting a high reading on the fuel pressure line. Much better. Check the minor I just want to be sure. Good. Yes. Check the hyperdrive also.
Transport takeoff in 20 seconds.
Good. Airspeed sensor? Thank you, Nine. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. Engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, report. Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Engage repulsors and hold on, recruits. More ships. Launch. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Vakara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep it tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company. First order TIE fighters. Reroute! Red 2, Blue 5, we got a clear path so transport can make the jump.
We lost Red 2, more incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action.
Try to shake him, Blue.
I'm trying.
We lost Blue 5. I'm gonna try to draw them away.
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready. You won't have much time.
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers. We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
Get some friends and make this a fair fight. Don't worry, I'll come back for you. Stay strong.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
This ship is now under command of the First Order. You will proceed to interrogations immediately. That was an order, not a suggestion. Move. Now.
How incredible is that? As we're headed down this hallway, we're moving into the next part of the ride.
I need my two right here, the remaining amount right here. Right here. Wait! There. Sympathizer. Facing each other. Single file off the lights.
I have a bad feeling about this.
Do not turn your back on the First Order. Face this way toward me.
They're really serious around here.
forget your color, head all the way into the cell. Followed by train.
Are you orange too?
Prisoners are secure.
You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Stand back, troops. You sit on your color areas if you have red, blue, if you color black. You guys are orange and gray. To your right.
Recruits all the way to your transports there, please.
We have the recruits.
All right, here we are.
Coast coming back with an attack force. Get to the escape pods now. Lieutenant Beck, we need to find him a way.
Supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, it goes on the prisoner.
Your cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Detention door breach. Prisoners on scene and level B. There they are! Fire! These escape pods just below us. Take them with them. Hurry! No, not up! I said down!
This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run. escape? You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Line up. Scan for his spot beacon.
Lieutenant Beck here.
Beck! You're alive!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure. Bravo! SR5, you too.
How incredible was that? Wow. Awesome. Okay, that was amazing. This was so much better than Smuggler's Run, and that's in my opinion. This one was way more immersive, so many more visuals, such an awesome experience. So anyway, Rise of Resistance, if you're here in Disneyland, definitely gotta go on it. It opens January 17th, and may the force be with you. See you later.